To find the shortest distance between any 2 points on the coordinate plane, we can use the distance formula, which is derived from the Pythagorean theorem. By considering a right triangle, we can determine the horizontal distance A and the vertical distance B between the 2 points. The hypotenuse of this triangle represents the distance we're looking for. Solving for C, by taking the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem, we get C equals the square root of A squared plus B squared. If we apply it to the coordinate plane, A is the horizontal distance found by subtracting the 2 x-coordinates of the points, and B is the vertical distance found by subtracting the 2 y-coordinates. This gives us the distance formula. Let's find the distance of these 2 points. Using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 represents a horizontal distance. In this case, we can just count the number of units, which gives us 3. Similarly, y2 minus y1 is the vertical distance, which is 5 units long. Squaring both numbers, we get the square root of 9 plus 25, which equals the square root of 34. Since 34 does not have any perfect square factors, this is in simplest form. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is square root of 34 units, which is approximately 5.8 units when expressed as a decimal. Let's find the distance between the points, given the ordered pairs, using the distance formula. First, it's best to label x and y above the coordinates. Now subtract the 2 x-coordinates, 11 minus 7. The order in which you subtract doesn't matter as long as you do it in the same direction for y. Subtracting the y-coordinates, we put -2 minus -5. Now simplify by subtracting them. 11 minus 7 is 4. -2 minus -5 is the same as -2 plus 5, which equals 3. Squaring them, we get the square root of 16 plus 9, which is the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, the distance between the points is 5 units. Let's do another example. Use the distance formula to find the distance between the points. First, label the coordinates x and y so you don't mix them up. Subtracting the x-coordinates, we put -1 minus 5. Then for y, 3 minus -2. Simplifying, -1 minus 5 is -6. Then 3 minus -2 equals 5. Then square the numbers. -6 squared equals positive 36. Remember that squaring a negative number always turns out positive. 5 squared is 25. Adding them, we get the square root of 61. Since 61 does not have any perfect square factors, it's in simplest form, which is approximately 7.8 when expressed as a decimal. Now it's your turn. Grab a pencil and a sheet of paper if you can, and give it a shot. I'll be revealing the answers in just 10 seconds, so pause the video and test your skills.